So without further ado, I'm gonna take you guys towards the multi-agent supervisor I have created. And in this agent scenario, first and foremost, we'll be going through it line by line, but you don't have to get overwhelmed with the of with the number of technical jargons I'm going to use. You don't have to get overwhelmed. You will have the notebook. You can just install the dependencies and then try it on your own. So let's get started with our hands-on exercise. So in the first cell in this code cell, we are installing all the required packages. So it requires langgraph, langchain, and langsmith and pandas libraries, so that they can smoothly run towards it. So in this working session, we'll be creating a supervisor agent which will have access to two different agents. And based on our quotient, it is going to route to a specific agent. All right. So as you mentioned, we have installed our library. So the warnings, you can neglect them. You don't have to worry about it. Just the version of pip that actually gets updated again and again. So you don't have to worry about it. And then you set the environment variables. So we'll be using Tavily search. We'll be using Tavily search for our web search tool, and we'll be using OpenAI API key for getting the responses and using GPT-4o.